Yahweh. Hey. Hey. Yahweh. Yahweh. Hey. 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 Release a song. Yahweh. Release a song to Zion. It is your worship that turns to weapon. It's a great weapon in the hands of the Lord. Release a song to Zion this morning. Wherever you are joining us from every part of the world, can you release a song? We release the sound of Shekinah, the sound of Yeshua. Shekinah is here. Hey. We release the sound of creation, the sound of the angels. Shekinah is here. I release the sound of the heavens, the sound of creation. Shekinah is here. There is a glory that resides here. If you can access it, you will appear before monarch in Zion. Hey. Say Yahweh. Yahweh. Release the song to Zion wherever you are. Hey, Yahweh. Release the song to Zion. There is a Shekinah glory that is upon us. I release the sound of the heavens, the sound of creation. Yahweh is here. He is here. If only you can approach him, he is here. We release the sound of creation, The sound of the heavens. Jesus is here. We release the sound of creation. The sound of Shekinah. Shekinah is here. We release the sound of creation. The sound of the angels. Oh, Yahweh is here. Hey, we release the sound of the heavens. The sound of creation. Yahweh is here. Yahweh, Yahweh. Yeah. Can't you drop Jesus? He's here. Yahweh. Can't you see him? He has arrived. He has come. He has come. I can sense him. I can feel him. Ene kaparete manosile matobo. Ebra hasela mombarasuma kobela. Eroso prekamoske belatwa. Reketos ete plato belaskome. Raketos ete brekamanasume latwa. Adedes ade brakata balata. Ete di kamprakades ete brata balata. Rakatwa satete. Rakata sata brata bala. Ayati. Atas kadede. Rakados ete brata balata. Rakete. Zedini manate brakatete. Obrekata manaskete brada balata. Rakata shada brada balata. Rakati balata brada balata rakati. Shada brada balata rakata balata. Pray wherever you are, pray. Zedini barada brada balata dela. Zedini barakata de brada balata. Rakata brada balata rakata. Rakati balata rakata balata. Rakata balata rada balata. Silatete wate sateta pada brata balata rakata balata. Rakata rakata brata balata rakata. Rakata setete what did it balata pray, pray. City brakata balata di rata balata. Sita brata balata. Rakata brata balata balata. Rakata balata rakata balata. Rakiti balati putete. Rakata brata balata balata. We release the sound of creation, the sound of Yeshua. Shekinah is here. I release the sound of the heaven, the sound of creation. Yahweh is here. He has come, he has come. If only you can sense him, he has come. Yahweh, Yahweh. Hey. We release the sound of the heavens, the sound of creation. Yahweh is here. I release the sound of creation, the sound of Yeshua. Shekinah is here. Yahweh, Yahweh. He has come, he has come. Hey. You cannot sense him, he has come. Be sensitive, Yahweh has arrived. Yahweh is in the house. Jesus has come. There is a sound that is going on now. There is a sound that is trapped in Zion. There is a sound that raised as an incense to Zion. From here this morning, there is a sound of heaven. There is a collusion. There is a collusion between divinity and mortality.
The sound of the heaven, the sound of creation.
There is a confluence between immortals and mortals. This is where mortality swallowed up immortality. This is where divinity swallowed up mortality. There is a sound that is trapped in Zion. There is a sound that is trapped in Zion. Say Yahweh, Yahweh, Yahweh. There is a sound that is trapped in Zion. From here, I saw an incense arising to Zion. It's the sound of heaven. It's the sound of creation. And Yeshua has arrived. There is a Shekinah that is hovering around. You are watching online. There is a Shekinah glory that is tangible. If only you can access it. There is a Shekinah glory that is upon us today. It's a sound from Zion. It's a sound from heaven. Release a sound. There is a sound that is ascending now. What is trapped in Zion is not your voice. It is a sound that is trapped in the fires of God in eternity. We will appear on the shores of celestial beings through sound. Through sound we will appear in eternity. Make an appearance in eternity, where you will behold God seated on the right hand side of God. I saw Shekinah glory. There's still some people following online. There is a Shekinah glory that is coming upon some people. There is a Shekinah glory. It's coming stronger. It's coming stronger. It's coming stronger. Hey, Yahweh. Family worship, the sound of creation, the sound of the heavens. Yahweh has come. We release from family worship the sound of the heavens, the sound of creation. Yahweh is here. Listen, is it that you cannot sense? There is a sound that once we open our mouth and we utter that sound, Shekinah arrived. If only you can trap Jesus now, you can touch him. If only you can access him now, you can touch him. That sound that was released was a sound that echoed in eternity. And because of that sound, divinity has to come and peep. What's this sound? Where is it coming from? It is an incense from family worship altar. There is a sound that is echoed at the side of eternity. And mortality was going to be swallowed up by immortality. There is a place where divinity can be embodied in immortality. And that place is called family worship altar. There is a place where you have tangible encounter when you come. There is a place where Jesus promised to be available whenever we come. And that place is called family worship altar. If only you can access him, you can trap Shekinah glory today. If I were you following online, I would raise a cry and say, Lord, are you happy that my life is like this? I want to touch the essence of the presence. Whatever you do is a cliche until there is a presence of God. Gabriel said, I am he that standeth before monarch in Zion. There is power in the presence. Where do you stand, family worship altar, this morning as you raise an incense to Zion? Is your voice echoing in Zion? Or you are just uttering a voice that is as a result of entertainment? Lord, let us not labor in vain. Let our voice echo in Zion. Lord, let me not go and pass as an ordinary man. My life must count in Zion. Make a cry. My life must count in Zion. How sad it is when you appear at the side of the divine and monarch said, depart from me, I know you not. Lord, let me appear before you in Zion. Let my voice be echoed in eternity beyond. There is a wooing. Holy Spirit is beckoning on you to go. Listen. I hear the Spirit beckoning on some of us to come. He's beckoning on us. He said, I heard the sound, but I want you to come. I want you to come. Take a step. He's beckoning on you. There is a call from the side of eternity. There is a call in Zion. A king is beckoning on you to come. Will you appear before him in Zion? How sad it is when you appear in Zion, your life did not count. Isn't it a privilege for your voice to be trapped in eternity this morning? Family worship, wherever you are connected from. Isn't it amazing for your voice to be heard in Zion? I hear, oh, that you might come, that you might come. There is a line you have to pass. He's beckoning on you to come, so that he will tell you secret things. He said, and I heard a voice said to me, come up hither. There is a beckoning this morning. If you are only sensible, there is a beckoning this morning. Wherever you are following online, be sensitive. I hear Holy Spirit beckoning on us that we might come, so that he will look upon us. He said that you might come, so that I will behold you. Oh Jesus, you don't have to beckon, we will come.